the food again. I buy the food again. I'm live only just 1 hour. Thank you so much, Lan, for support. Lance, congratulations. You are 1K now. Congratulations. You reached the 1K subscriber. And next, your watch hour. Need to watch hour. Oh, you see, Lance? Yes, shopping on the weekend. Hello, Lance from Mamayra. Lance, hello, Lance from Mamayra. Thank you. You're welcome, Lance. Mamayra, salamat ha. Oh, I'm here in the elevator, Lance. Escalator. Hong Kong lunch is very hot. Hello, Mayra from lunch. Lunch, Hong Kong is very hot. You see the weather here? It's very hot. Ang init na, guys. Ang sandali. Thank you. You're moving fast. Yes, lunch, yes. I'm moving fast now. You're moving fast. Oh, Sisley! Sisley, kamsak gan. Sisley, salamat Sisley. Good morning dear Sisley, ha? Sisley, good morning. Mag-ano ako, Sisley? Tawag ito? Mamalingki ako, tingnan mo. Yung trolley ko, ayan. I'm going to market. Gantam sa kasi sa alas, padaan lang, busy sa work. Ingat ka lagi. Oo, ingat ka dyan, ingat ka. Parehas pa tayo, ano ka nang busy ngayon, busy. Ingat dyan, Sisley. Sisley, di off mo bukas? Di off mo bukas? Saan na ba yun eh? Saan na ba yun? Nakalimutan ko. Mama Ivy, salamat Mama Ivy ha. Nakalimutan kong daan. Saan na ba yun eh? Wait. Dito. Nakalimutan ko guys. I forgot the market. Dito pala. Ingat kayo dyan ha, Ma'am Ivy and Sisley. Ingat kayo dyan. Lance, thank you so much, Lance. Oh. Mainit, oh. Live lang tayo, guys. Para update na tayo ni Lolo. Bukas, di off ko bukas. Today, tomorrow is my day of time. Tomorrow. Saan na ba yun? Poma. This one. Nakalimutan ko man. Dito pala yun. This one in the mall. Mahal ang mga damit dito. The clothes is too much expensive. Clothes here. This one is Poma. Maganda rin ang Poma. Lance, did you drink the coffee? And you eat the Dunkin' Donut? Dunkin' Donut? Thank you so much, everyone. Mamayra, salamat ha sa support. Madali pa ako guys. Kay yung alaga ko, magbantay pa ako doon. So many people, yes, I drink my coffee. Okay. Okay, lunch. Yes, so many people here, lunch. Where's the... this way. This one, shoes, marathon sport. Sisley, take your time dyan ha. Okay ra. Did you drink your coffee? Yes, Lance. I drink every day. I'm just wake up morning, then I drink coffee and eat bread sandwich and with Nutella. You see, Lance, the people here. This one outside. You see the outside? I'm fast today. I'm very fast. Ay, sandali. Mag-ano pala ako, guys.